we got the money debate aside.
पैसा तो आता ही है. Even if I don't charge a penny from a patient, कल को मेरे को चाय पीना है तो मेरे को भी उसका 10 रुपये तो भरना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको पैसा कमाना है तो आप डॉक्टर मत बनो, आप कुछ और बन जाओ. If I were to draw portrait of माधुरी दीक्षित $50,000 में जाएगा. So same way medicine is.
But what according to you is the excitement in the medical field?
जो मेरे consultants थे, they were very clear in telling us, don't restrict yourself to the eye. Patients and girlfriends will never be honest to you. They are always going to lie to you. काम नहीं.
No. So actually my question was, कैसा रहता है अभी देखो engineering में?
Correct.
What is the excitement whenever you are taking a field, taking up a career? What is the excitement for that career? मैं क्यों ले रहा हूँ? When we see engineers या when we see finance guys, whatever, lawyers, तो उनका कैसा है? सोशल मीडिया पे आजकल तो सभी दिखता है, बट उनका कैसा है? मैं इंजीनियरिंग करूँगा, whatever, मैं कोडिंग सीखूँगा, मैं इस कंपनी में जॉब करूँगा, मैं ये प्रॉब्लम्स जो भी है सॉल्व करूँगा, ठीक है. मैं उसमें एक्साइटमेंट क्या है इंजीनियर्स के लिए? अभी फॉर एग्जांपल इंजीनियर्स का ले लो. इंजीनियर्स में एक्साइटमेंट क्या है? व्हेन आई मेक अ कोड, व्हेन आई कोड ऑन माय कंप्यूटर एंड व्हेन आई मेक दोज चेंजेस इन दैट सॉफ्टवेयर, इट इज़ गोइंग टू अफेक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. ठीक है, उस चीज़ का एक्साइटमेंट, मैंने बनाई हुई चीज़ ये लोग सब लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं. सो देयर विल बी लाइक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इंजीनियर्स इन गूगल. कोई गूगल मैप्स बना रहा है, कोई कोई दूसरा एप्लीकेशन बना रहा है. सो उसने वो एप्लीकेशन बनाया है जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं. व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज द एक्साइटमेंट इन मेडिकल फील्ड अपार्ट फ्रॉम ट्रीटिंग पेशेंट्स तो डेफिनेटली इज देयर. बट वो क्या होता है ना कि यार हमारे पहले भी डॉक्टर्स आके गए थे, आगे भी आएंगे, सब लोग पेशेंट ही ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. एक्साइटमेंट है ऑफकोर्स, एक सेंस ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग वैल्यू मिलता है उसमें कि आई एम हेल्पिंग समबडी, बट दैट इज फॉर देम. व्हाट इज द एक्साइटमेंट फॉर मी?
So again, what personality are you? If you are somebody who's like, see, lot of medical like people, see, there are two type of people who take up medicine. To be frank, a little misguided, because India में हम medicine बहुत ही जल्दी choose कर लेते हैं. We choose medicine as a career when we are 16 years old, when we don't even have a voting right and we are already decided कि हम डॉक्टर बनेंगे.
मोस्टली तो सब लोग पैसा कमाने के लिए कर रहे हैं.
पैसा तो आता है, पैसा तो आता ही है. And I think any profession that anybody is doing, if somebody is making tea also, if somebody is doing painting of your house or furniture work, पैसा तो आता ही है. I mean, पैसा कमाना बुरी बात नहीं है. I mean, that is, you have to raise a family. You have, I mean, even if I don't charge a penny from a patient, कल को मेरे को चाय पीना है तो मेरे को भी उसका 10 रुपये तो भरना पड़ेगा. तो वो कोई मेरे को छोड़ने वाला नहीं है. तो पैसा कमाना गलत बात है ही नहीं. बहुत टाइम पहले, there was, I will not name the show, there was a very controversial show hosted by a Bollywood personality, and जिसमें डॉक्टर्स की धज्जियाँ उड़ाई थी उसने.
Yes. Okay,
everybody's aware. I will not name, but we know what we are talking about. I was in the audience in that same.
Really?
Yes, I was.
How did you get to be there?
So they had picked up people from KM and Sion to come and sit in the audience.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we were a group of, I think, a lot of KM, Sion, JJ, the BMC hospitals के undergraduate students थे वहाँ पे, and all of us were, a lot of my batchmates are on screen. I was also in the one of the last seats. तो मैंने तो वो फर्स्ट हैंड एपिसोड देखा है, उसमें क्या एडिट हुआ है वो भी मुझे पता है. सो
तो जो बोला होगा वो तो और भी बोला होगा.
सो ऑफ कोर्स जो दिखाया था वो बहुत ही सेंसेशनलाइज था. द डिबेट्स एक्चुअली व्हिच हैपेंड ऑन द शो वर वेरी वेरी सेंसिबल.
अच्छा.
व्हाट केम ऑन एयर वाज वेरी सेंसेशनल. इज
रियली?
या.
How does that come to happen? I mean,
probably they had air time and they had to just keep stuff which would give them views. Okay. I'm not denying that the malpractice that they showed does not happen. That does happen, but there was a lot of good intellectual debate also which had happened which was not shown. Now अभी I cannot tell what was. Anyway, so उसमें एक statement हुआ था कि अगर आपको पैसा कमाना है तो आप डॉक्टर मत बनो, आप कुछ और बन जाओ. Why?
ऐसा बोला किसी ने?
The same. You can go through the show. I mean, the actor himself says that on
The
TV.
host himself said that.
Yeah, that if you want to earn money, don't become a doctor. I mean, why? So, earning money, chasing money are two different things. Earning money is the right of everybody. Now, if it's like M.F. Hussein's painting sells for a bomb. If I were to draw portrait of Madhuri Dixit, मेरे को कोई 50 रुपए भी नहीं देगा, है ना, उसके $50,000 में जाएगा. So same way medicine is, you grow yourself as a doctor, your name and fame increases, you are very much within your rights to charge your professional fees. As I said, see, a lot of knowledge is a retrospective knowledge, right? I have seen patients over the years. So as my seniority increases, we've been taught when does your diagnosis begin? When you start asking the patient his history, or when you start writing his prescription, or when he comes for the first follow-up, or when you see his blood tests. So especially when I entered ophthalmology, all my teachers, जो मेरे consultants थे, they were very clear in telling us, don't restrict yourself to the eye. Your diagnosis begins from the moment patient walks into your clinic. We were told, observe the patient how he's walking. Is he walking with a pain in the knee? So there's many other things. Is his affect like क्या वो sad है? So there's definitely a psychiatric component also to him. It's not just the eye. Okay. उसके fingers missing है क्या पैर में? तो मेरे को पेशेंट को पूछना है तो डायबिटिक है. I know he's uncontrolled diabetic. He's undergone amputations. These are certain things which there are so many times patient lie. Patient just lie. Patients and girlfriends will never be honest to you. They are always going to lie to you. So we have to tell the patients on their face, you are lying to me. How do I know if he's lying to me? There are things which I look at the patient and I pick it up already. मैं जब मेरे क्लिनिक में बैठता हूँ तो मैं आधा ज्योतिषी बन के बैठता हूँ. Of course बिना उसका बर्थ डेट निकाले मेरे को उसकी कुंडली पता चल जाती है. एंड बिना उसका हाथ देखे मैं उसका फ्यूचर भी प्रेडिक्ट कर लेता हूँ. Within the realm of my knowledge. I don't do that because I have magical powers कि भाई साईं बाबा आ गए मेरे अंदर. I do it because years and years and years of seeing patients, we know a trend. So as you become more and more senior, you go through more and more experience, and life is the best teacher. So the more experience that you have, the better your diagnosis will become. And जितना आपका diagnosis अच्छा उतना patient के लिए अच्छी बात है. तो लाजमी है कि जो senior doctor होगा वो अपने फीस चार्ज करेगा ही ना उतने.
करेगा ना.
बिल्कुल है. Tomorrow if somebody files a court case on you and you go to a very well-known lawyer, he will charge his fees because he's going to fight that case for. So here also we are fighting for your. So पैसा कमाना तो गलत है ही नहीं इसमें. So I really don't think so that that aspect should ever be looked at in a negative point of view. Of course, there are certain practices which we start developing, which we can say is chasing the money in a different way. Here, as we grow in our stature, money will chase us. So to expect a very senior surgeon to do surgeries for lesser amount or to not charge his appropriate OPD consultation and say कि ये लूट रहा है, वो गलत बात है. He is charging you for the years and the experience. जो हमको 5 years back when I was learning ophthalmology, it used to take me half an hour to diagnose a patient because my mind was not processing information at that speed. Today I do the same work in 2 minutes.
Right.
Okay, so and of course much better than what I was doing 5 years back. So that's what we are charging for. That's nothing wrong in that. And if you really can't afford, there are government hospitals.
Right.
Where your taxpayer money is being used to pay the doctor's salary. Go and use it.
Correct.
तो इधर तो
So that's one part. Money is, we got the money debate aside, but what according to you is excitement in the medical field?
So the adrenaline.
अच्छा.
Definitely. Our field. How? मतलब बोलने को गलत लगता है, but एक God complex तो feel होता ही है.
Okay. And that's quite understandable actually. Yeah.
Especially in surgical branches. Especially as you go higher and higher into so ophthalmology is what I can see, that I'm sitting on a on the bench of a lake, you know. Just एक पैर सर्जरी में है, एक पैर मेडिसिन में है मेरा. You know, very not that deep into surgery. But of course, if I am a cardiac surgeon who's doing a heart transplant, okay, you see, I've given this guy new life.
Absolutely. We had Tarun Shetty. I think you must be knowing him.
I've heard of him.
Yeah. तो वो भी KM से ही heart surgery. So we had an amazing episode with him. But yeah, I get what you're talking about. There's that God complex. And फिर